Are you a small business owner struggling to get more customers without spending a fortune on advertising? What if I told you there's a simple, cost-effective way to reach thousands of potential customers without breaking the bank? That's where 9x12 group advertising postcards come in. Stay with me as I break down how this powerful marketing tool can help boost your business, increase sales, and grow your brand. So, what exactly is a 9x12 group advertising postcard? It's a large, high-quality postcard 9 inches by 12 inches designed to feature multiple businesses on one side. Instead of paying for your own separate mail campaign, you share the space and the cost with other local businesses. Each postcard includes 12 to 16 advertisers in different industries. The postcard is sent directly to thousands of local homes through direct mail. Every business gets a high-visibility ad spot, reaching the same audience at a fraction of the cost of solo mailing. It's a collaborative marketing approach that allows businesses to reach a wider audience affordably. You might be wondering, why is this method so powerful? Well, direct mail has an open rate of over 90%, meaning nearly everyone checks their mail, unlike digital ads, which can be ignored or blocked. Key benefits: affordable marketing costs are split among multiple businesses, making it way cheaper than running a solo mail campaign. High visibility: unlike emails or social media ads, a physical postcard grabs attention instantly. Local targeting reaches potential customers in your local area, people who are more likely to visit your business. Long shelf life: unlike online ads that disappear in seconds, a well-designed postcard stays in homes for days or even weeks. That's why many businesses prefer direct mail over digital marketing. It's tangible, trusted, and has a higher response rate. Wondering if this works for your business? If you serve local customers, this is perfect for you. Here are some examples. Real estate agents, restaurants and cafes, salons and spas, auto repair shops, gyms and fitness centers, plumbing, HVAC, landscaping get more service calls. Basically, if your business serves local customers, this is one of the best and most affordable ways to advertise. Getting started is simple. Here's how it works: sign up, contact the organizer, that's me, to reserve your spot. Get a custom ad design. We create a high-quality, attention-grabbing ad that fits your brand. Print and mail. Once all spaces are filled, the postcard is professionally printed and mailed to thousands of homes in a targeted area. Get more customers. Local residents see your business and take action, whether it's calling, visiting your store, or redeeming an offer. It's simple, effective, and requires zero effort on your part. Just sign. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.